Hello friends, this video on linear equation in two variables part 5 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. So with this, I hope you're comfortable with what is linear equation in two variable and how to find different solutions, and you know that there are multiple solutions for a given linear equation. So let's take one simple linear equation x plus y is equal to 3. We can find various solutions. One can be x is 0, y becomes 3. X is 1, y is 2. X is 2, y is 1, x is 3, y is 0. There's so many actually. You can have x is minus 1, y is 4, minus 2, x is 5, or let's take x is 4, then y becomes minus 1, 5, minus 2, like that. There's so many solutions. You can actually try solving this and you'll see so many solutions. You can actually pause the video and try to find these values. You can try to find more values for this. If you want, we can plot this pretty easily. 0, 3. I mean, these are the points actually. X is 0, x is 0, y is 3. X is 0, y is 3 is a point. Similarly, x is 3, y is 0. X is 3, y is 0. This is also a point. So these two are valid points. If you want, we can actually plot more points. X is 1, y is 2. X is 1, y is 2. You put the point, you'll get some point here. Right? X is 1, y is 2. X is 2, y is 1. X is 2, y is 1. You'll plot a point, you'll get some point here. X is minus 1, y is 4. X is minus 1, y is 4. So you'll get a point somewhere here. X is minus 2, y is 5. X is minus 2, y is 5. So we'll get a point somewhere here. X is 4, y is minus 1. X is 4, y is minus 1. We'll get a point here. X is 5, y is minus 2. X is 5, y is minus 2. So if you see, actually, if you join these points, what will you get? You will get a line. You will get a line. And if you see, that's why it is called linear equation, because you get a line. Right? You will get a straight line. And every point on this line, let me give this line name AB. Every point on this line, you can extend this actually. Every point on this line is a solution for this equation. Every point on line AB is solution to this equation. For example, if you see, let's talk about this point. This point is what? X is 6, y is minus 3. Right? Let's see if 6 more minus 3 is a valid point. So x plus y has to be 3. 6 plus minus 3 has to be 3. Correct? This is a point. You take any point. For example, if you take somewhere here also, this point, every point if you take in this line, all these points are solution to this equation. And any point which is not in this line, for example, if you take this point, you take these points, all these points, they are not solution to this equation. For example, let's take this point. This is what? X is 6, y is 0. So let's take 6, 0. So 6, 0, you add this, 6 plus 0. Is it equal to 3? No, it is not equal to 3. This is not a solution. Okay? So every point on this line is solution to this equation. Any point which is not in this line, these points, any point you take, take these points, there are so many points in this Cartesian plane. Any point which is not in this line is not a solution for this equation. Please here also pause the video, understand the concept that for any linear equation, typically when you draw the graph, you get a straight line. And any point on this straight line is solution to this linear equation. Any point which is not in this straight line is not a solution for this linear equation. Once again, any point or every point on this line AB is solution for this equation x plus y is equal to 3, because this line is for x plus y is equal to 3. Any point which is not in this line is not a solution for this given linear equation in two variables. Let's draw a graph again one more. X plus y is equal to 7. So let's do that. So to draw a graph, you don't need to plot all the points. If you have 2 points, that's all. So let's do that. X plus y is equal to 7. Let's put x equal to 0. You put x equal to 0, you get 7. Next, put y is equal to 0. If you put y is equal to 0, you get x equal to 7. So I have 2 points, 0, 7 and 7, 0. So let's put the point 0, x is 0, y is 7, 5, then we have 6, and then we have 7 somewhere. This is the point, and this is the 7 point, and this is 1 point. We have 2 points. So once we have 2 points, you can actually join these 2 points. If you join these 2 points, you get a line using the scale. Right? Take a scale and join these points. Okay? And this is the line. And any point on this line AB, you can actually extend this. You can extend this. Any point on this line AB is the solution. Example, if you take this point. So this point, if you draw this point, if you draw a point this here, this is 4 and this is 3. 4, 3. And let's see 4, 3 is a solution. So let's say 4 plus 3, that is 7, x plus y. And that is true. This is the solution. If you draw a line point from here, you will see that it will meet somewhere here. So this point is 1, 6. And 1, 6 is also solution for this point. If you put a point here, this point, if you see, is 6, 1. This is also solution, right? 1 plus 6 is 7, 6 plus 1 is 7, 4 plus 3 is 7. So any point on this line will be a solution. Also, even if you see in this point actually will be 8, minus 1. This is also solution for this point. Okay? So any point on this line will be solution for this equation x plus y is equal to 7. This line is for x plus y is equal to 7. Practice more and more, try to draw more and more graphs for different forms. For example, there is a plus here, there will be a form of x minus y is equal to 8, let's suppose. That is one form, right? Or 2x plus 3y is equal to 9, that is one form. Or 2x minus 3y is equal to 9 or 8. So there are different forms. Take all these kind of equations, try to draw more and more graphs so that you become comfortable in the graphs. Okay. Another question is, given the point 1, 2, find the equation of the line on which it lies. So we have the point 1, 2. X is 1, y, point is 2. This is the point as given. The question is, find the equation of the line in which it lies. When we can draw so many equations, right? We can draw a line like this, we can draw a line like this, we can draw a line like this. All these lines, if you see, are assuming this is the point. I didn't draw properly. Let me draw this once again. X is 1, y is 2. This is the point. So from this point, I can draw so many lines. I can have a line like this. 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 You see, there's so many lines. All these lines are hitting this point 1, 2. So I can have infinite lines. So if there are infinite lines, each line corresponds to a solution or each line corresponds to an equation. So you'll have infinite equation. Hope you understand. Because each line corresponds to equation. For this line, I'll have equation as y is equal to 2. This line is x is equal to 1. I mean, I'm just saying because I know. I mean, if you practice also, you can just by looking at the equation, you can see that this is the equation. Right? This line corresponds to x plus y is equal to 3. Because this is 3 and this is 3 here. Okay? Anyway, if you don't understand how I got x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 and x plus y is equal to 3, that's okay, because we'll understand this more you practice, more easily you will get these concepts. Just understand that from a given point, you can draw infinite number line. Since they are infinite number line, there are infinite number of equations for these points. Okay.
Thank you. Visit our website examfear.com to watch more and more quality educational videos. You can also attempt free online tests that are there in our website. You can also get access to tons of free study materials, and you can also find free tutors and mentors in this website. Thanks a lot for watching.